How do I check the status of my Milestone credit card application? Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on how can you check the status of your Milestone credit card application. So follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to visit the Milestone credit card website. Start by visiting the official website of Milestone credit card and navigate to the application status page. Look for the section on the website specifically dedicated to the checking the status of credit card applications. This section may be labeled as Check Application Status or something similar. Enter the required information on the application status page, and you will likely be asked to enter the certain information to verify your identity and locate your application. Common information requested may include your full name, date of birth, social security number, application reference number, and if provided during the application process, and possibly your zip code. And after entering the required information accurately, click on the Submit or Check Status button. Once you submit the information, the website should display the status of your Milestone credit card application. This status could include approved, pending, declined, or under review. If you encounter any issues while checking your application status, or if you prefer to speak with a customer service representative, you can also contact the Milestone Credit Card's customer service directly. Use the contact information provided on their website or on any corresponding related to your application. And by following the simple steps, you should be able to check the status of your Milestone credit card application and get an update on whether it has been approved, declined, or is still pending review. So this was it. Thank you for watching the video until the very end. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your viewership and support.